7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at the general crypto market, and we have a mix in the crypto markets. So guys, Bitcoin is still ranging. We are still stuck in that range. I still believe we have one more dump. In this video I'll be showing you why I believe we have one more dump. We'll be looking at news story happening in the crypto space. We'll also be looking at some Bitcoin news happening. Bitcoin long-time holders begin distribution with precedes BTC price bottom. News stories happening in the crypto space, looking at sentiments in the market and other metrics. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, in the last 24 hours, we had a mixed reaction in the top 100 coins in the crypto market. Many of them are just still exactly where they are yesterday. So that's why you can see some 1%, 2% pump here and there. The big losers in the last 24 hours is Luna on Luna Classic, Hex, and GMT. And you can see GMT is just down 4%, if not. Even the biggest gainers in the last 24 hours is Link up 7%, XM up 7%. And there's no major changes in the last 24 hours in the crypto market because we are still waiting on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has kept us in this range since when the market capitulated on the 12th of May 2022. Bitcoin has been ranging, and at the point of recording this video, which is the 5th of June 2022, Bitcoin is still stuck in that range. Guys, personally, I believe we'll actually come one more time to test these lows. I don't know why, I just have that belief. I just feel as if the sentiment in the market is actually really trash. At the same time, I believe one more move to the downside to scare people, then we'll pump. And we can still pump. We can just actually start pumping from here. But most times when BTC bottoms out and it fakes people out and people think that that's the bottom, we range and then we finally dump. And if we go on the weekly, we're setting records we don't want to actually set, guys. We need to close above 29,000, close to 30,000 for us not to have a red candle on the weekly. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're about to have 10 consecutive red candles. Bitcoin long-term holders begin distribution with precedes BTC bottoms. The bearish BTC price targets keep mounting amid concern over the distribution of coins by long-term holders. Right now, we don't know whether the bottom of Bitcoin is in. A lot of indicators are showing that anytime Bitcoin has gotten to this price or this region or this sentiment in the market, this is always a good time to buy. But guys, let's not forget, Bitcoin is still above its previous all-time high set in 2020. A lot of people are predicting that Bitcoin might actually drop below 20k, and nobody knows where the bottom will be. It's in hindsight we actually look back and say, oh, that was the bottom. We wish we bought a lot at the bottom. You can never sell the top, you can never buy the bottom. But when you see sentiments like this, you know that okay, maybe this is a good time to buy Bitcoin. Only time we tell, but long-term holders are beginning distribution of their coins, and anytime that's happening, that's the bottom of the market. Guys, stablecoin dominance is still at a standstill. It has been stuck in this range just like Bitcoin, and one of them will have to give way, and the stablecoin dominance will have to pump to the upside. Bitcoin will have to dump, or Bitcoin will have to pump to the upside and the stablecoin dominance will have to dump. And it looks as if their relationship is inversely proportional. When one is going up, the other one is coming down, and we're going to see whether that will play out well. But I believe there's still one more push to the upside for the stablecoin dominance for it to top. If that's going to happen, that means the market will have to dump one more time. I'm not just happy the market is dumping, but the earlier we get to the dump, the better for everybody involved, the better we can see better prices. You can see that when the top comes in for stablecoin dominance, it mostly is a sharp turn. Even when we had that capitulation in the market on the 12th of May 2022, you can see that it was a parabolic run, and since then market has been ranging. Since then the stablecoin dominance too has been ranging. That means a lot of people are holding their money on the sidelines to see what will happen in the market before the jump in. And Bitcoin ATM's installation record low in May, biggest drop since 2019. This is what you expect at the bottom of the market. Bad news on bad news on bad news. Over the past 5 months since January, Bitcoin ATM installation saw a gradual slowdown, eventually falling 89.75% from December 2021, 1,971 new installations. Is this a bearish news, or is it just because people are no longer interested in Bitcoin? And that's what really happens when we're in the bottom of the market. Guys, in 2018, Bitcoin was going just above $3,000. Nobody wanted to buy Bitcoin at that price. Just 3 years later, people are scrambling to buy Bitcoin for over $60,000. Do you think it will be smart decision to get Bitcoin today at $29,000, or do you think you want to wait for 3 years time to be scrambling for Bitcoin at 100,000, hoping it will go to 500,000 or some crazy numbers like that? I'm not saying you should go and buy Bitcoin now, but guys, just all the sentiment in the market is in extreme fear. Anytime we're the extreme fear for this long, most times if you look back, you'll be like, oh, that was the time to buy. That's why you should buy in extreme fear and sell in extreme greed. Because when the market is in extreme greed, nobody wants to sell. When it's in extreme fear, nobody wants to buy, because human beings were emotionally attached to our money. The fear and greed index is showing us that we're in extreme fear. The value of the extreme fear is in 10. You can see that in the last month we're being in extreme fear, last week extreme fear, yesterday extreme fear. Up till now, we are still in extreme fear. Really, really crazy. Bitcoin price need to close above 29,450 for the first green candle since March. Are we going to close above 29,450? Right now, we just have 5 hours, 31 minutes to the end of the week, and Bitcoin is still at 30K. Guys, do you think Bitcoin will close first green candles in the last 10 weeks, or are we going to make it 10 red candles in a row? At this point in time, only time we tell, but I'm cheering for Bitcoin to have its first green candle in the last 10 weeks. If Bitcoin can hold, maybe we can carry the momentum into next week. I won't be surprised to actually see Bitcoin probably just pump to 32,000 in the next 5 hours. Guys, this is crypto. Everything is possible and everything happens really, really quickly. And the US dollar currency index is taking a chill pill. When it was going parabolic, that's when I was giving warning, telling you that, guys, we might still dump further, but it looks as if the top came in here on the 12th of May. And guys, you can't think it's coincidence that the US dollar currency index tops on the 12th of May, the stablecoin dominance, the top came in on the 12th of May, and the euro is reversing on the 12th of May, and the crypto market actually capitulated on the 12th of May. And all these factors are just showing us that a big move is coming, either to the upside or to the downside. Will this have been the time where everybody would have looked back and said, oh my god, I wish I sold all my crypto, because everything will probably fall down another 50%. That means the US dollar currency index probably setting a new high, stablecoin dominance setting a new high, and Bitcoin probably setting a new low. And are we going to look back to this time and regret not making these decisions? Only time will tell. Crypto unicorn index is currently at 60. We only have 60 projects with a market capitalization of over $1 billion. And the height of the market, we had over 135 projects. So we have less than half about that. We have less than half of the projects we had at top of the market that have a market cap of over 1 billion. When the market start recovering, we'll start seeing more projects having market caps of over $1 billion. Guys, in the last 24 hours, the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, the gainers and the losers. We have Chainlink's among gainers, Chainlink, Avas, Algo, Solana, and KDA. Among the gainers, none of them is still up 10%. The market is still kind of ranging. On the losers chart, we have GMT, Whale, Run, Bitcoin Cash, and ICP. All of them are down, but still none of them is down above 5%. So you see, the market is just waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way. Guys, the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 24 hours. At number 1, we have Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is going for $30,000. Number 2, we have Ethereum. At number 3, we have USD Theta, it's a stablecoin. Number 4, USDC, another stablecoin. Number 5, we have BNB going for $299. Number 6, we have Cardano ADA. Number 7, XRP. Number 8, Binance USD, their own stablecoin. Number 9 and number 10 is Solana and Dogecoin. The total crypto market capitalization is at $1.23 trillion. Guys, other news in the crypto space happening. Yuga Labs confirmed Discord server hack, 200 Ethereum worth of NFTs stolen. And be careful out there, don't click on any link that you're not sure of. Hackers are out there looking for people's NFTs to steal. 3 reasons Ethereum price risks 25% downside in June. If Ethereum is dumping, guys, just like Bitcoin, just like your favorite altcoin, there's a high chance it might be dumping. But Bitcoin can actually be pumping, and Ethereum and other altcoins will actually be dumping. That's very, very possible. And this is 3 reasons why Ethereum actually dump in June. On sluggish technicals, Ethereum reserves on exchanges are actually increasing. I gave you some news some days ago about some venture capitalists that have been transferring some Ethereum to exchanges. The reason why they'll be doing that, guys, is that they are planning to sell. Be careful out there. Still on the Yuga Lab situation, people are talking about their NFC being stolen. How did they steal it? One of the admin or the community manager of the Discord group, his account was hacked and his account was used to post that malicious link. So be careful out there. The street is not safe for your NFTs. Is Solana a good buy with Solana price at 10 months low and down 85% from its peak? Guys, you have to be careful with these altcoins out there. Altcoins can drop 85%, and guess what, guys? To shock you, they can drop another 85%. We have seen it happen so many times and a lot of altcoins. In 2018, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, actually dropped over 94%. Right now, from the top of the market, Solana is just down around 85%. It can still actually go down another 50%. I'm not saying to go down, I'm just telling you what is possible in the crypto space. So be careful out there, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think June will be a very good month for us? Do you think we are going to enter a green week, or we are still going to dump further low? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1